Your Choice family, what's popping? We trying to see what's going on while these brakes squealing and things today. But it looks like the brake pads are very thick. We're gonna put the tires back on this one and see what's going on with the other side. But we gonna put some anti squealing noise or whatever on it, cause I'm tired of hearing that shit. And I get back with you in a minute on the other side. You see that motherfucker right there? Well, don't run now, motherfucker.
Dig that.
And this, where that motherfucker go?
What'd he say?
I said I'm gone.
You pissing inside the fence, Bubba gonna
He
take
said
your
you
ass.
go.
So we were checking out for the brake pads all the way around, and everything is thick. I don't know why it's doing all this squeaking and stuff like that. It's irritating, very, very irritating. Cause I love my Uncle Ted. I love my Uncle Ted. He gonna make sure we straight.
Who trying to the wine boy?
But yeah, back to this. So we just spraying it off with brake cleaner. Try to see if we can get this brake dust out of them, and see if that's gonna stop the squeaking.
Don't pay him. Try the shop.
So hopefully this go help it out. If not, fuck it.
Dang, how I know?
Yes it is.
Look, I ain't finna break my back. I'm trying to hit it. I ain't
Huh?
nothing on my hand. I want
See,
$10.
Uncle, $10.
Yeah.
Yeah, shit for what?
Okay, well you can do it then.
I'm just saying you
No,
already
well, you
ran.
can do it then.
You already ran over my Uncle Terry
And I took
toolbox.
care of him.
How you take care of him?
No, that's between me and him.
No, that's between you gotta put me into it too, and you gotta help out with the tie.
No, I did. I just moved.
Shout him at. Tell the nigga.
I just moved. Go
Look.
ahead, Ring.
I'm gonna tell you this here.
Go ahead.
I don't give a fuck about nothing, cause I ain't had nothing to do with this. You could put me on YouTube, BoopTube. I ain't got nothing to do with this shit that's going on right here.
That's how you gonna do it.
It ain't high enough.
Happy birthday.
Who birthday it is?
Shit. His, I guess.
You got some more corn whiskey?
Man, I wish I had some, bro.
Man, hey, I'm trying to tell you what. See, he won't even help you out. You, for that man can get some corn whiskey.
That's my neighbor. I got a problem. It's you.
It's me.
Come on.
Yeah, cause it ain't high enough.
Come on. We gonna do it. We gonna do it, man. Cause I'm gonna need you. Come on.
How you gonna need me?
Shit. Cause shit. I might have to bring my goddamn car up here and you change the tires some shit. Come on, man. What we gotta do, man? Come on,
Yeah,
man.
you so fucking shit. I ain't fooling with his ass. While you trying to finish this shit, hell no.
Come on, man.
I'm finna
What?
smoke my cigar.
Well, that's the cigar steak.
Man, hey, look.
You calling me Uncle? Your
No,
beard
come on,
is whiter than mine.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
I might
What
have
the
to come on.
motherfucking fuck?
Come on, man.
How you can't sit in my chair?
God damn, really? Who you? What you?